This is a short video about injection mistakes in these pre-filled pens on all the GLP-1s. Now this is Mounjaro 10 milligrams. Let me tell you what happens on these. You're supposed to have these injected subcutaneous, but when you press this up against your leg, if you press too hard, that needle can go all the way through the fat pad and hit the muscle, and then you absorb too quickly. And you know, in my opinion, if the injection hurts, if it burns, you probably went through the subcutaneous level and entered into a muscle. And when I first started these at 2.5 milligrams, it burned almost every time. I was doing it on the side of my leg. And I finally figured out I had to go to the belly to get in thick enough area of fat. And also, if you press too hard with it, it would also burn. It would go, you know, you would displace the fat pad and go into the muscle. And as a result, the day 6 and day 7, you ended up with significant hunger pain. So I thought I needed to go up in dose. And I don't think you need to go up in dose if you're getting the results you want. I've been at 10 milligrams for about 18 months. My goal is not necessarily losing weight. I lost about 0.5 pound a month. The goal is more to maintain my A1C and get the blood sugar down. My first week, my blood sugar went from readings of 160 to 180 in the morning down to 120. And I've slowly lowered it since then with not a lot of weight loss to about 105 in the mornings. So it does work really well, but I warn you that don't push too hard. Make sure you get a nice little roll of fat to inject it into. If you're getting burning and it's not painless, then you probably need to change your injection technique and injection site. Otherwise, it'll absorb too quickly. I think I would have stayed at 5 or 7.5 milligrams for a long time if I had been injecting it directly into the subcutaneous level rather than hitting a muscle and getting significant pain.